So I had to get my friend on this thing. I was on this once.
What is she doing?
I don't know. I don't think she knows how to drive. She's, we gonna see how this turns out. Do not, I tried to go in the store once and I got in trouble with those. Just tried to go in the store.
It's my turn. I'm gonna go get
She jamming Joe to Alyssa. I saw that head bob. What?
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to my friend.
Her channel.
She good. She good because I be doing covers and stuff. Me and her gonna do some covers later. But you know.
Layla, go.
I don't know. Hold on. Oh. I don't like these things. I don't really like these things, to be honest. I'm gonna die. See, here's the thing. I can't drive. My friends, I'm gone. Meow. Okay, you know what? I don't want to be on this anymore. Somebody else get on. Oh, it's Layla's turn.
I was with Layla one time and she got so mad her mom let me ride in that thing. How do you go?
The red button right there.
Oh.
Just press that.
Oh, God. Oh, it's going so slow.
I know. Because there's a certain weight limit for it, and we had to see what it was.
What is the
I have no idea.
Around the same place.
I don't know. Layla, can we go somewhere else, please? I want to go somewhere else.
I don't know this passing. I don't know your passing.
I'm gonna miss you. Yeah, so we're just walking around. Now we're doing Layla, and now Alyssa is trying to get on it with Layla. I'm gonna get. They're driving. Say hi, guys. Layla. Talia's turn. Now it's Miss Talia's turn, and yeah, you hold.
I gotta hold it.
Yeah, it's right there. You just hold that, and
Oh my God.
we were just over here.
So slow.
We were just over here. Why are we over here again? Can we turn around and ask to go somewhere? Yeah, Talia. How about you just... We're going to go somewhere. We're going to try to sneak you into a store. Technically, we'll know when it's done because the thing won't move anymore. Yeah, Ocean Frozen Yogurt. That's where my brother used to work. Right there. It's not really frozen yogurt. It's just ice cream. But that's the store he used to work at.
Oh my gosh.
Talia!
Why is it going so fast? Okay, let's go. Was it going this fast? Yeah, it was. I'm going on a trip and my
Favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky. Little Einstein. Zooming through the mall.
You can't even get on it. Let me go to the plane. No.
Talia! What are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna get off now. Okay, my butt is on. Stop. Two. Can I put the shorts? Two.
Okay, hold on. Somebody, Alyssa, hold my phone and block so I can get my glasses out.
Okay, so let's push walk out.
Because see, I got.
What's the point of walking around the mall if we're not gonna do it?
Right, that's what I'm trying to say. Can we go do something?
Trailing clothes, there's nothing else to do.
Where's the button?
I want some freaking pencils. I'm hungry. Where's my granola bar at?
Here you go.
Hold on. Where's somebody? Yeah, hold that. I just need to get my glasses out and open my granola bar. Okay, we're back. She's still on it. Dr. Aaron run. No, Alyssa. No. Alyssa. Layla did the Aaron. She did the Aaron run to get on the thing.
Practice again. I just
Talia, you saw that. She did the Aaron run. She did the...
No, I want to try on clothes. Dude, if I run down this acting like Aaron, how much would you tell me? $1.
I'm gonna get on video too.
$1. Catch me outside. Hey, what's
You gotta do the Aaron run, Talia. Okay.
Okay, y'all go now. Wait. And you're gonna pull off. No, no. I know the prank. I'll wait right here. Oh my god, y'all.
Come on.
Let's go. So we have to I'm gonna try on clothes. I'm gonna go look at shoes. I'm a shoe obsessed.
Okay, then let's do that. Let's just do something.
Let's go try on some shoes, guys.
And
Okay.
Then
Cause see, I don't know. The thing is, if I'm not gonna buy it, my mom, she raised me to like. She told me like, if you're not gonna buy it, don't touch it. That's what she always tells me.
oh my god, no!
The air. That's not the Aaron run, Talia. Do the Aaron run. Do the Aaron run. I don't care. Do the Aaron run. Do the Aaron run. It's just all you gotta do is run like Aaron. That's not how Aaron ran. One of you should do it. Alyssa should do the Aaron run. She saw it.
After I write this.
Yeah, after she writes that she can do the Aaron run.
Right here.
I want you guys. I want. Actually, wait, cause do you guys want some?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get like some. I think I should get like one of those cups or something, and we should. Okay, how much is the cup?
Shit, I'll race you. Y'all run. I'll race you.
Did you guys want some pretzels or no?
Which store? Let's just come back after we can.
Okay. Cause see, if I'm not gonna buy it, I'm not gonna be trying to buy stuff I'm not gonna buy.
Do y'all wanna try on clothes?
I wanna go to Claire's or Justice or something.
Shoes and then clothes.
Do you wanna try on shoes and then clothes or clothes and then shoes?
I wanna go to like, can we go to like Claire's or Justice or something?
Well, let's let her run up for a minute.
Let her stay over here. I'll stay in here. What time is it?
I have no idea. I'm recording.
Didn't she say be back the whole time?
I have no idea. It's.
Oh, yeah, 10 minutes.
I thought you said 20 minutes. You spent your whole 10.
No, I didn't spend the whole 10.
Oh,
Why she said be back at 7:20?
I have no idea. Because the thing will stop. The thing will stop after a certain amount of time. And what? What is?
Dude, that was gold.
That was so funny.
Oh, she's so scared. Because if she's still out here while the thing, her minutes run up, the thing will stop. At least it should stop because I love this carpet. Guys, look at that carpet.
Man, I don't never stay on topic about anything.
Talia, I just let me give me some gummy bears. I mean some Sour Patch Kids.
Oh, I didn't bring my dollar because I was too scared to go back upstairs and get dollars. Where's the oh, there it is. I put my leg and I was on it. It's like a foot in the
Oh, it's supposed to say 2.
Yeah,
What do we say?
Two.
What? Oh, I thought it was for the break.
Well, you kind of missed them.
No, it's on the other day. I mean, not the other day. Earlier.
Oh, yes, okay, so we're saying 2. But that's weird. People gonna look at us like we're crazy. But they not gonna know what it means. It's an inside joke. Oh, Jesus, Alyssa. Y'all gonna kill yourselves. Mamma mia. Talia. Where'd she go? Oh, I found her. Do not. The Aaron run. I saw that. Alyssa, do the Aaron run. Alyssa. Y'all won't do it, and it's disappointing.
You do it, Christina.
What? Okay. Okay, somebody gotta record me. Y'all, guys.
Ready?
Guys, this is the Aaron run. Well, why don't you do it? You do it better. Alyssa, you do it. We need Dakota. That's what we need. Neither one of you guys would do it because you guys don't listen to me.
We need to try on clothes or shoes.
You guys are ignoring me.
Your face.
It's actually been 10 minutes. So, oh my God. It's actually been 10 minutes. So, I don't know what's up with this.
Oh my God, someone tell me, please.
Guys, where are we going?
Can we go to Sephora because we get a free makeup? Remember? Like when you're walking.
Let's go in Sephora.
Okay, are we getting something here?
I mean, I only got.
Dude, if we go in Sephora,
You should get.
I'm gonna get some.
Oh wait, I have $1 actually. Hold this. I got $1.25. I'm gonna give me some Starburst. I'll give me some Starburst and I got $1.25.
Give it to one. It's your money.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Why do you want to vlog y'all getting food?
Huh?
Why do you want to vlog y'all getting food?
No, it's because me and Therese will be vlogging. I
I want to become a famous
vlogger.
I just want to do something.
Let's go in Sephora.
Oh, we gotta be funny.
I'm gonna shoot myself.
Are you serious? It's not going in.
Talia. She won't let us do anything.
I said these 5.
We're gonna go try on shoes now. Are you coming to try on shoes?
Here.
I said D5 and the
Here.
stupid thing gave me a Twix. Rip off machine.
What? We're gonna go try on shoes.
Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm mad right now. Dude, guys, can we go in here? Please, can we go in here?
Why?
One time. Oh, guys, so, okay, you know what? Look. Okay, I'm gonna go right now because I'm a little frustrated. I'll talk to you guys later.